Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X5 Lite, and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display feature on this device. So let's first unlock our device, and here we should open the settings, then click to personalizations and select Always On Display. Just we can here change display options. We have selected now the all day. We can also use the schedule, the start and the end time, or also we can use it only in power saving mode. So also we can change here the information which we can show on the AOD screen, so we can turn on or off the time, date, battery and notifications from applications. So you can unselect all of them if you want. So now just let's go back, and here we can see all the available tabs, so we can use just the personalization these tabs. We can also use the custom patterns, so we can just here paint something, then just tap to OK. We can change here also the just color of the clock, the date and time. We can just apply our O10 here, so let's check it. We can see here that we just successfully change our custom temp. Also we can use the one from the default temps. Here we can use the digital clocks here, the analog clocks, and the images. For example, let's use this image. We can here also change everywhere the color of the clocks on the date and time, and that's it. As you can see, that's how simple. So that's how to customize Always On Display feature on our OPPO device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.